Hey guys, today I'm taking you through a fast fade haircut tutorial. The tips in this video will help you to fade faster without actually rushing. I'm not going to tell you too much about it right now, but let's get straight into the video. And if you like what you see, guys, please, while you're watching it, press subscribe and press that bell notification so you can be notified every time I put up a video. Alright guys, today I'm going to take you through how to do a fast fade. There's various different ways you can do it, but let me show you one way of doing it. And I'm going to give you key points and tips to make this happen and how any of you can do it if you follow these correct techniques. So simply, first of all, I'm using the Wahl Vapor. These are amazing for fading. I've taken the hair down already. I've put the skin line in where I want the fade to end. So all I'm doing now is I'm going to do an open blade barrier. I'm making sure that I leave the edges a little bit because I want to get a darker shape up. So I leave the edges there so I can catch more hair and the shape up stands out more, and I'm doing it naturally as well. So open blade barrier, just that simple. I've done one way and gone the other way. And look at the timer right now, how long this is going to take me. 11. Close the lever about halfway. Go up to under the skin, under the open blade barrier. Over the top of the open blade barrier and flick out. Look how slow I'm going. Go one way and then go the other way. Look how much hair's come off. Then close it to just under skin, or just above skin, should I say, and just touch that skin line. And look how slow I'm going, guys. I'm going very slow, but that line's faded out now. So we move on to the next section. What's the next section? This area here. So I pick my invisible line, which is there, open blade, go up to the invisible line and flick out. The key to fast fading is concentrated clipper strokes. Making sure that I'm going through the grains of the hair, the bristles on the gauge. So that is going through the hair like a comb, like I'm combing through it. So when you use these concentrated clipper strokes, you will fade a lot quicker. So look, now the open blade, one. Gonna go to here. My first invisible line was there. The next one's gonna be slightly under. Go to it and just flick out. And also what I'm doing is longer clipper strokes as well. So what short clipper strokes? Sometimes people feel like this, and they feel like if you do this quickly, you fade quicker. It's not the truth. What's actually better is to do longer clipper strokes, but concentrated. So comb it out, go through, flick 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 out. Then go the other way. Just making sure these are concentrated strokes. Then close the lever. Then go to the same place, comb it out. I'm going to go to the same place, long strokes and flick out. Long clipper stroke, flick out. Then I go one way, and look, I'm not doing a lot and I'm not going fast. Then go the other way, back to where we started. And look what we have right now. Now I'm going to drop down to the open blade. I obviously can see this area here, that will get blended, don't worry about that. Now lightly, where the bottom half and the top half met, lightly, I'm just gonna flick it. Go from underneath and just flick. Just flick out the line. Then we stop. Now with the top part, to blend this in. And think about this, guys, I'm talking you through this, so I'm taking longer than I actually would if I was just cutting his hair. Now with this top half here, I'm going to the number 2. I'm just going to lighten up this area so there's a smoother blend up there. Which normally I would say, do you know what, you can do this in refining, but just for the sake of you guys right now, I'm going to show you. I'm not doing a lot. Am I doing a lot? No. Comb it out, just flicking out that area. And there we have a fade, guys. That's simple. That whole side there could take me a couple minutes. If I wasn't talking you through it, it would have been a lot quicker. But now I'm going to move on, do the back of his head, which is here. Then I'll shape up the beard and shape him up. But this is how you do a fast fade. You've been in the cut with SliderCuts, and there you have it. I took you through a fast fade haircut tutorial, telling you all the tips and techniques of how to fade a lot quicker. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys next week.